Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something sweet, easy and delicious. We're going to make a banana cake. Easy, super. If I can do, everybody can do it. We need just a couple ingredients here. We need, of course, banana. I use 3 bananas for this, 140 grams of custard sugar, 55 grams of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla syrup, 1 egg, 170 grams of plain flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and plus I recommend you, is very nice. You can put 20 grams of walnuts, just mash and chocolate, if you like. If you can, if you don't like, you can do plain. But with this, is amazing. We're gonna respect this custard sugar, butter, vanilla, egg, flour, and baking powder. Okay. First thing we have to do, banana, is very easy, guys. Another thing is very important. You can put on the oven 170 degrees. I'm gonna cook this around 45 minutes. 170, 180 degrees is good. But it's good the oven is gonna be already in temperature. First thing to do, is most work, is this. Just mash all banana. Easy job, relaxing. Okay? When you do all your 3 bananas, you see, you're gonna do like that. All 3 bananas, okay? When I mash all my bananas, I show you the next step. Okay, the 3 bananas is done. Now, take a bowl, everything inside. It's very easy, guys. I love banana cake. Now, we have the sugar, everything inside. The butter, everything inside. The teaspoon of vanilla, okie dokie. Now, the egg, and mix very good everything until coming all the same thing. And now take your time, okay? Mix very well, butter everything, and when you're sure, I show you when is everything the same compost. I show you next, okay? It's done. 5 minutes, butter is disappear inside. Now, flour, baking powder, walnut, and chocolate. And mix again everything, very nice. Gonna be again all the same, compact. Okay, see you later when everything is done. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna, nice, all the same color. Now, it's finished guys, very easy. Tin, or you can use any tray you like. Put a little bit oil on your hand. Use vegetable oil if you like. Everywhere you can use brush or hands like me. Always guys, if you like, share with a friend, subscribe on channel, check our website cookwithanitalian.com. Okay, this is done. Now everything inside, just like that. It's delicious. It's already super nice. Now guys, in the oven 170 to 180 degrees for 40-45 minutes. I put on my inside and later I'm gonna be more precise, okay? See you later when it's cooked. Guys, the banana cake is ready. It's already half an hour is out from the oven, but it's 170, 180. I left in the oven 50 minutes. Guys, this is my banana cake, very nice and easy. Now we're going to cut it. Look at that. Oh, I'm so proud. Still, now it's time to try it. Wow, è un capolavoro. It's a masterpiece. Guys, this is the best banana cake I had in my life. This is the banana cake, guys. If you like, ping it up and follow us. Ciao!
Ciao!